Start with a slip knot and chain 60, or else you can start with any number of chains according to the size which you need. 1 half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, this one, and 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round. Now this round onwards we'll be working only in the third loop. Count from the back. This is the back loop, this is the front loop, and this is the third loop. That's the back loop, that's the front loop, and this is the third loop. 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches, that is only in these third loops. Back loop, front loop, and this is the third loop. So 1, 2, the third loop. This is how the stitch from back will look. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. This is how it will look. Now just keep repeating this last round until it's around 4 to 5 inches in size. 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches, that is only in this third loop. 1, 2, and this is the third loop. This is how it will look. Now fold this piece in half and place it in a way so that they overlap each other like this. Fold the first piece like this and the second piece like this. They should cover each other in a zigzag pattern. Now using a yarn needle, sew the pieces together. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.